Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and guys, I have just a quick little tip for you guys. As you're seeing on your screen, I have these metal diamond shapes or hollow diamond little gold medals that I want to put on my middle nail here. Yeah, I want to take this mani up a notch a bit, just playing around with it. And I know, so obviously these are straight, and I want them to stay nice and snugged against the curvature of my nail. And you have seen this that I have used or showed that I've gotten before. It is used for curving metal nail charms like this. And something that I did before with just a single piece, I'm going to go ahead and attempt to do it with these 4 pieces and see how well it works. But it's still the same tip for you guys. So I used a piece of Scotch tape like this. This is my first time trying it with more than 1 piece. It worked excellent with 1 piece. And to where I'm going with this is that, you know, even when you do a 1 piece here, sometimes they're so little that it's hard to keep them in place while you smash them. Smash them to get that curved right in the center or where you really want it. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this to my, now that I have them in place, and this is my stamping mat. Pick them up like this. And I'm going to tape them to the end of this tool. And I can bring this part right here, and I'm just going to press down, and I could probably slide up and down. I'm actually, so yeah, I am applying pressure and turning, making sure it is going to turn whatever part of the it's more than likely it's just going to be the diamonds on each side. I'm not going to do anything to the one on the top and the bottom, but I'm pressing here and pressing, and turning it as I press. And let's see, from looking at it, it appears to have worked. Now let's peel it off, and it looks like there it is. Now let's go ahead and put it on my nail. Let's see how nice and snug they look. Before I took them out, guys, here's another idea. I went ahead and taped it to my nail, and I'm doing this, pressing to make sure it takes the curvature of my nail. That could be another idea. And that's because these pieces of metals, believe it or not, they're very, very soft. They're not hard to bend. Now, one thing that you will not want to do is get the sides confused with the ones that are on top and bottom, right? So this is actually my bottom, that side, and this side. Now I did turn them over because I had them upside down. So now let's go ahead and start with our placement. Alright, so here they're all now, and I've not applied a top coat over them because I want you to see the profile. Check them out, that's pretty sweet. It worked out like a charm. Let me try to show you this side. See, totally flat. Pressed against my nail. So no corners sticking out or anything. Super cool, yeah. So that worked like a charm. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how you will do it with a single piece. I've not done anything to this one piece, okay? And it's flat, and my nail obviously is not. And sometimes when you try to put these in here, well, so they could move around, and maybe even if you curve them, you might not be able to curve them completely centered because they're going to move around for you. So then one easy thing to do is, again, just use the piece of tape trick. Let's keep that on camera. And then stick this to the handpiece like so, and then just work it, you know, just work your thing, do your thing here. Okay, so here's what I ended up with. I figure I bring things up a notch with this mani. I really loved it. So what do you guys think of this idea? I hope that you will find it handy. Let me know what you think of the mani. Which way did you like it best, with or without this stuff? I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this quick little tip. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.